When and how to euthanize your dog, a guide.
Hello, viewers. In this video, we are tackling an emotionally difficult yet very important topic, knowing when it's time to euthanize your dog and how to prepare for it at home. This is a sensitive topic for many, but understanding it is crucial for any pet parent who wants to ensure their furry friend lives a comfortable and happy life till the end.
When is it time?
Euthanasia should always be a decision made in the best interest of your dog. If your dog is in persistent pain or discomfort and their quality of life is severely compromised, euthanasia may be the most humane option. Signs to look out for include chronic pain that cannot be managed effectively, frequent vomiting or diarrhea that's causing dehydration and/or significant weight loss, inability to eat or drastic loss of appetite over time, loss of interest in all or most activities, inability to stand or move around, difficulty breathing. Always consult with a veterinarian before making this decision. They can provide professional advice on your dog's condition and prognosis.
How do I prepare for euthanizing my dog at home?
If you decide to euthanize your dog at home, first and foremost, find a local vet who offers at-home euthanasia services. This procedure should always be carried out by a professional. Here are steps to prepare. 1. Choose a comfortable spot. The main advantage of at-home euthanasia is that your dog can be in their favorite, most comfortable place. This might be their bed, a favorite spot on the couch, or a sunny place in the yard. 2. Arrange for other pets or family members. Make arrangements for other pets or family members who may want to be present. This can be a time for them to say goodbye as well. 3. Create a calm atmosphere. Try to create a calm and quiet environment to help reduce any stress for your dog. You can play soft music, provide their favorite blanket or toys, or even light some calming scented candles. Be sure they're pet-friendly. 4. Discuss the procedure with the vet. Know what to expect during the process. Your vet should explain the procedure to you in detail. Typically, it involves a sedative followed by a drug that gently slows, then stops, the heart. 5. Decide on aftercare. Think about what you would like to do after your dog has passed. Options might include burial, cremation, or other memorial choices. Euthanizing a beloved pet is never an easy decision to make. But sometimes, it's the kindest thing we can do for our pets who are suffering. It's important to discuss your thoughts and fears with your vet, who can guide you through this difficult process. Remember, it's okay to grieve, and it's okay to ask for support. This video is a step in making an informed decision for your beloved friend's well-being. We hope this has been helpful.